Hello, NCMS students. I wanted to do kind of a review on how to do the keyboarding assignments because I'm hoping the reason that many of you are missing these is you're just unsure of what to do. So you go in, you see in your folder that you've got a keyboarding assignment to do. So you're going to click on it. And if you're already signed in to your computer, you would connect with Google to Nearpod. So you're just going to click Join Lesson, make sure that's your name, and then it takes you through. So it's a student-paced thing, and this is top and home row words. So we click through. This lesson reviews proper keyboarding position for typing top and home row words and offers a complete series of practice activities on TypeC. Activities are designed to be done independently in student-paced mode. Each lesson includes an opportunity at the end to record and reflect on speed and accuracy, and activities can be completed multiple times for complete practice. At the end of the lesson, there are more activities included for additional practice. So we just click through the learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to improve your speed and accuracy with top and home row words. And during this lesson, you will practice goal setting and reflection by analyzing your strengths and areas of growth as a keyboarder. I took out most of those and we're just going right into practice. So on the following slides, you'll have multiple opportunities to practice today's skill. You can complete these activities as many times as you like until you feel ready to move on. So we get ready for it to go. And we just start typing. So one thing that I do when I'm keyboarding is I try not to watch the clock. I try not to watch my time at all. I just keep going. And if I felt I didn't do that really well, I can always redo it. But I'm going to move on. And here's the next typing. And I messed that one up quite a bit. Now the thing is, with these guys, I'm not grading you on your speed and accuracy. You're just being graded on completed assignments. Here's another one. And I made some mistakes in that one. My accuracy is actually getting worse. But it's okay, I'll eventually get better. Just keep going. I'm going to go through the whole thing. So now we've got another typing challenge here. I always think words with Q's are a little tough. All right, 100% accuracy on that one. So I had 47. And 100%. Just draw that on there. Okay. Oops. I've gotten more accurate, but slower. Okay. Pull. And just answer that, and then you get to the extra practice, and you definitely want to do these. I think they're very good activities for you. One mistake there, but I got a lot faster. I think we have a couple more practices to do. I always have trouble with these. I do better reading top to bottom than from left to right. That's always tough for me. And one of the things I've talked about with you guys in class is it's okay if you're not as fast as me. Once you get to here, you are absolutely done with it. And as you can see, that took about 5 minutes total to do.